Hello guys, here we will discuss some important physics 1 linear question and answers which is very useful for upcoming exams. Please like and comment and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Question number 1. Who is the father of modern physics? Answer: Galileo Galilei. Question number 2. The chosen standard used for measuring a physical quantity is called. Answer: Unity. Question number 3. The MKS, meter, kilogram, second system and a CGS, centimeter, gram and second system are called. Answer: metric or decimal system. Question number 4. CGS system is also called. Answer: Gaussian system. Question number 5. The first country to adopt metric system was. Answer: France. Question number 6. Foot, pound and second system is also called. Answer: British system. Question number 7. The fundamental unity each SI system are the same as that of. Answer: MKS unity. Question number 8. Number of basic SI units are. Answer: 7. Question number 9. What is the SI unit of length? Answer: meter. Question number 10. What is the SI unit of mass? Answer: kg. Question number 11. What is the SI unit of time? Answer: second. Question number 12. What is the SI unit of electric current? Answer: ampere. Question number 13. What is the SI unit of thermodynamics? Temperature. Answer: Kelvin. Question number 14. What is the SI unit of luminous intensity? Answer: Scandla. Question number 15. What is the SI unit of atom of a substance? Answer: mole. Question number 16. Number of supplementary SI units? Answer: 2. Question number 17. What is the SI unit of plane angle? Answer: radian. Question number 18. What is the SI unit of solid angle? Answer: steradian. Question number 19. Physical quantities which have a magnitude only and a no direction are called. Answer: scalar quantities. Question number 20. Give some example of a scalar quantities. Answer: distance, mass, speed, volume, work, time, power, energy, pressure. Question number 21. Physical quantities which have both magnitude and direction and which obey the triangular law of physics. Sorry. Which physical quantities which have both magnitude and direction which obey triangular law of addition are called vector quantities. Question number 22. Give some example of vector quantities. Answer: displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, momentum, electric current, density. Question number 23. The study of motion of object is called. Answer: kinematics. Question number 24. The total length of path traveled by a body in a particular time interval is called. Answer: distance. Question number 25. What is the SI unit of distance? Meter. Question number 26. The change in position of a body of a certain direction is known as. Answer: displacement. Question number 27. What is the assignment for displacement? Answer: meter. Question number 28. The rate of change of position of a body in any direction is called. Answer speed of object. Question number 29. The rate of change of displacement of a body is called. Answer velocity. Question number 30. If a body is moving on a circular path, then after one complete cycle, it is average velocity is. Answer 0. Question number 31. If an object covers equal displacement in equal interval of time is called. Answer uniform velocity. Question number 32. If an object converts unequal displacement in equal interval of time is called non-uniform velocity. Question number 33. The ratio of total displacement of the total time taken is called. Answer average velocity. Question number 34. The rate of change of velocity of a body is called. Answer acceleration. Question number 35. What is the SI unit of acceleration? Answer meter per second square. Question number 36. When the velocity of a body is increased with time, then its acceleration is. Answer positive. When the velocity of a body decreases with the time, then its acceleration is. Answer negative. If velocity of a body decreases, then acceleration is called. Answer retardation or deacceleration. Question number 39. What is the acceleration of a body moving with constant velocity? Answer 0. Question number 40. When two bodies are moving in a straight line and the speed of one with respect to another is known as. Answer relative speed or relative velocity. Question number 41. A body given with an initial velocity moves under the effort of gravity is called. Answer projectile. Question number 42. What is the SI unit of force? Answer Newton. Question number 43. What is the SI sorry Question number 43. What is the CGS unit of force? Answer dyne. Question number 44. 1 Newton force equal to. Answer 10 to the power 5 dyne. Question number 45. Direction of centripetal force is always. Answer happen towards the center. Question number 46. The gravitational force of attraction between Sun and Earth is balanced by. Answer centripetal force. Question number 47. When electrons moving around in a nucleus with force act. Answer centripetal force. Question number 48. The work done by centripetal force is always. Answer 0. Question number 49. Fat can be separated from milk in a cream separator because of. Answer centrifugal force. Question number 50. The working of principle of washing machine is. Answer centrifugal force.